Is that it?
Yes.
Yeah, it's recording. There you go. See, this is how you do this mess whenever you need the floor mopped up. You just come in here, right?
Go back.
You put a little bit of this right here and this right here.
It ends up like this.
Look at this. That's what I'm talking about.
I can't get up.
Take that work and turn it into something fun. What? And the whole time I'm getting my floor clean. That's what I'm talking about. What are you doing, man? Don't be cleaning the floor with your butt, man. That's not actually really all that clean now.
I can do this.
So what we have here is a little bit of a soapy mess.
We need more soap. No.
I got the hallway washed and everything.
My turn. Dad, you should have been in here earlier. I fell.
I imagine you guys were slipping and falling a lot when there was a lot of soap out here.
We need more soap, Dad.
Well, no, you got to just clean up with what you got. No more soap. You need to get a towel.